Embarking on a nighttime stretching routine before bed can significantly enhance your sleep quality, easing muscle tension and fostering relaxation to help you drift into a deeper, more restful sleep. Here's a curated video featuring 7 powerful stretches, inspired by sources like the Sleep Foundation, Calm Blog, and Sibdol that you should consider incorporating into your pre-sleep routine. 1. Cat-cow pose. Unleash your inner feline and bovine with the cat-cow pose, a dynamic duo that gently eases the tension out of your back like a skilled masseuse. Start on all fours, placing your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. As you inhale deeply, let your belly drop toward the floor, lifting your head and tailbone skyward. This is your cow pose, opening up the chest and stretching the spine. Exhale, and like a Halloween cat arching in surprise, round your spine towards the ceiling. Tucking your chin to your chest, this is your cat pose, releasing tension in the back and neck. The rhythmic motion between these two poses enhances spinal flexibility, encourages proper posture, and stimulates digestion. Even better, the fluid movement soothes your nervous system, helping you shake off the stresses of the day. Just a few slow, mindful rounds of cat-cow pose before bed can feel like pressing the reset button for your body and mind, leaving you relaxed and ready for a deep slumber. 2. Legs up the wall pose. Imagine flipping the switch on exhaustion with a pose so simple, yet so effective, that it feels like a magic trick for your body. Legs up the wall pose is your ticket to effortless relaxation, requiring nothing more than a flat surface and a wall. Lie on your back and extend your legs straight up against the wall, allowing gravity to do the work as blood flows back toward your heart. This pose is a dream come true for anyone dealing with swollen feet, restless legs, or the nagging tightness that comes from standing or sitting all day. It's also known to lower blood pressure, slow the heart rate, and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is essential for deep relaxation. As you breathe deeply in this position, your nervous system shifts into rest and digest mode, signaling to your body that it's time to unwind. Plus, by improving circulation and reducing muscle fatigue, this pose can help relieve tension headaches and soothe an overactive mind. Try holding it for 5-10 minutes, and you'll feel the day's stress melt away like butter on warm toast, leaving you primed for the best sleep of your life. 3. Child's pose. Ever wish you could curl up and let the world fade away? That's exactly what child's pose allows you to do both physically and mentally. From a kneeling position, gently sit back onto your heels and stretch your arms forward, resting your forehead softly on the mat. Your chest melts toward the floor as your spine elongates, releasing built-up tension in the lower back, hips, and shoulders. Each slow, deep breath in this posture acts like a natural sedative, calming your nervous system and washing away stress. This pose isn't just about stretching, it's about surrender. It helps reset an overactive mind, making it an excellent choice if you often find yourself replaying conversations or running through tomorrow's to-do list as you lie in bed. The gentle compression of the abdomen also aids digestion, making it perfect for those nights when you've had a big meal a little too close to bedtime. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout or just need a moment of stillness. 4. Reclined twist. Twisting isn't just for dance floors. The reclined twist brings a whole party of benefits to your spine, lower back, and even your digestion. Lying on your back, draw one knee toward your chest, then gently guide it across your body while keeping both shoulders grounded. As you settle into the stretch, you may feel a gentle release in your lower back, like wringing out tension that has built up throughout the day. This movement creates space between your vertebrae, improves spinal flexibility, and even aids digestion by stimulating internal organs. If you ever feel bloated or sluggish, this stretch can act as a gentle massage for your stomach, helping your body reset before sleep. It's also an excellent pose for calming the nervous system, making it a go-to for anyone battling stress, anxiety, or restlessness at bedtime. Just breathe deeply, let gravity do the work, and twist your way into deep relaxation. 5. Figure 4 stretch. If your hips feel tighter than a stubborn jar lid after a long day of sitting, the Figure 4 stretch is here to save the night. Lying on your back, cross one ankle over the opposite knee and gently pull your thigh toward your chest. This deep stretch targets the glutes, hips, and lower back areas that tend to hold tension from sitting, standing, or even stress. Think of it as a reset button for your lower body, ensuring that tightness doesn't creep into your sleep and leave you tossing and turning. Besides improving flexibility, this pose also helps with sciatic nerve pain by releasing pressure in the lower back and pelvis. If you struggle with stiffness in the morning, incorporating this stretch into your bedtime routine can make a world of difference. Just breathe, relax, and feel your body let go of the day's tension, one stretch at a time. 6. Butterfly pose. Feeling stiff like a wooden board after a long day? Let the butterfly pose loosen you up and set the stage for deep relaxation. Sit comfortably on the floor, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop open like the pages of a well-loved book. Gently flutter your knees up and down, mimicking the wings of a butterfly, a soothing motion that not only improves hip mobility, but also helps release built-up tension in your groin and inner thighs. If you've been sitting for hours, whether at a desk or in a car, this stretch works wonders to reset your posture and improve circulation. Want an even deeper stretch? Hinge forward slightly from your hips while keeping your back straight, letting your body ease into the pose. By holding this position for a few breaths, you'll signal to your body that it's time to slow down and transition into rest mode. It's the perfect prelude to sleep, allowing you to physically and mentally unwind before heading to bed. 7. Seated forward bend. End your day with a gentle yet powerful stretch that feels like bowing down in gratitude for all you've accomplished. The seated forward bend is the ultimate move for releasing tension in your hamstrings, spine, and lower back, all of which can tighten up from prolonged sitting or standing. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale deeply to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, hinge at your hips to fold forward. No need to force yourself to touch your toes, just relax and let gravity do the work. This pose isn't just about flexibility, it's also about finding stillness and embracing the present moment. The gentle compression of your abdomen in this position even aids digestion, making it ideal if you've had a late dinner. As you breathe deeply, your body eases into a sense of calm, making it the perfect final stretch before bedtime. Let go of the day's stress, stretch out those muscles, and prepare for a night of deep, uninterrupted sleep. That's it for today. Try these stretches tonight and wake up feeling amazing. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more tips on relaxation and better sleep. See you in the next one. Sweet dreams. Sweet.